Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be replacing the Serpentine belt on my 2010 Ford Escape. I'll be doing this by accessing the underside of the car and without removing the front passenger wheel. The first step is to raise the car onto the ramp and chock your wheels for safety. The next step is to remove the right-hand side splash shield. There should be 5 10mm bolts. I'm missing one here. There should be one right here. So one up here. And two right next to the radiator. So I don't know if you can see that. That's one. And the other one's right here. So now you'll be able to remove this splash shield. So gently pull this down. So that's your splash shield and the 4 bolts. Here's the pin. After you remove the splash shield, you will have access to the belt, all your pulleys. And here is the 15mm tensioner socket. So you'll have to move this clockwise to loosen the tension and remove the belt. Using 15mm socket, go clockwise. And then on your water pump, the coolant pump, just remove this belt and everything comes off easily. Just go ahead and remove your belt from all the pulleys, and there you go. To reinstall, you basically need to reverse the entire process. Line it up with the top pulleys first. Alright, so make sure that your belt is routed on all of your pulleys except for the water pump. And once everything is lined up properly, you just use the same 15mm socket. Go clockwise and get your belt on the water pump as well. There you go. Just make sure everything looks good. And that's it, guys. That's how you reinstall your drive belt.